What are you doing in there? That's Mommy's suitcase for vacation.
Yeah, you have no clothes in there.
I don't, do I? What are you doing? Are you hooking your seatbelt? Why don't you hide again? Show Mommy how you were hiding.
And I said it.
What are you gonna do? Oh,
Bye-bye.
What are you doing, Houdini? Close the lid. Are you gonna hide? Close the lid so I can see. You're silly. I want you to hide from me and say, "Where's Hunter?"
Wow. Mommy, don't get in here.
I'm not getting in there. Oh, where'd Hunter go? Think we can ship him like that and he'll be nice and quiet and sleep the whole way? Peek! Well, hi, honey. You are the silliest little kid.